a warm welcome from Chigisha.
We made this painting at Shady Arts. So come along, paint with us.
For this painting, we have used paints, brushes, and masking tape. Now children, as the name suggests, a masking tape is used to hide certain areas of the canvas which the artist wants to keep away from colors. Usually, artists use masking tape on the borders. So, they apply the tape on the borders, then they paint, and when the painting is over, they pull off the masking tapes so that they get clean borders. Artists also use masking tape to create tape resist art like this one. Here, the strips of masking tape are applied on the canvas and then the rest of the portions are painted. This is known as tape resist painting. You can also use a masking tape creatively to create the effect of many paintings on one canvas. Like here, we have applied masking tapes to create 1, 2, 3. The effect of 3 paintings in one canvas. We have used the masking tape to create a stencil of a coconut tree or a palm tree. Wait a second, I'll show you. Now this is a finished painting. This painting is in process. Alright. Now here what we do is we take a piece of this tape. Okay. Then we tear this. Masking tape is made from paper, so it's easily you can tear it horizontally as well as vertically. Okay. This is how we made stencil for the trunk of the coconut tree. Now we are making these stencils or template for the leaves.
Do you know ready-made stencils are also available in stationery shops as well as online. If you are willing to spend a little more, then you can go for a variety of ready-made stencils also.
If you don't want to spend money on stencils, you can prepare such stencils. See, I have prepared this stencil of all the leaves of the coconut trees. So now we are ready to paint in this. And once you get into practice, then you won't need these stencils also. You will be able to paint directly on the canvas without the help of even the masking tape. And this masking tape I got for only 25 rupees. So go and get your masking tape and start using them in your paintings for making little stencils like these. While using the masking tape, take a minute to press the tape properly, otherwise while painting, the paint will sip beneath the tape and it may cause smudging like this. And the total purpose of using masking tape will not be solved at all.
Yes, start. Make a round white circle. You have to paint in white color first. Make a white circle. Now let's make yellow circle. Huh? Start. चलो बातें कम काम ज्यादा.
Yes, ma'am. कैसा लग रहा है मेरा सर्कल?
Good.
गुड लग रहा है.
Continue spreading the colors. Let's make a circle of
Very yellow.
which yellow is this?
Candy yellow.
Cat yellow.
Candy yellow. I see.
Yes, round and round motion. We'll make an orange circle now. Huh? Lovely. Nice. Yes.
Flowers and काम ज्यादा और बातें थोड़ी.
हाँ. बातें कम काम ज्यादा.
Turn the canvas.
Yes. Turn it as per your convenience.
What? She's in it. Oh, it's a run. Oh, she's in
Hey, this is art class या gymnastic class?
ये salamander की
शिवराज.
salamander. मैम सच क्यों नोटो? पर मैंने कोई पेंसिल नहीं ली. मैम I made a loose coin. मैम see?
Ah, nice. With a fresh brush. Yes.
मेरा तो
We have to blend all the colors now. Be careful.
मैम start.
Yes, चलो शुरू हो जाओ.
मैम शिवराज का थोड़ा बच्चा हटियो, मेरा नहीं बच्चा.
Make bigger circles. Round and round.
Give me the white color. Ma'am, Yanika wants white color. Ma'am, I also want white color.
Later on, first you blend the colors. Blend them. Outwards. Bigger circles. Make bigger circles. Make bigger circles. Don't make smaller circle now. Very good. Good. Nice. And cat hero. Blend them. Yes.
Ma'am, see?
Now let's apply the masking tape on one side of the canvas. Okay. Now take black color
Ma'am, see?
on your palette. No, not that. Enough.
मैम मेरा इधर है टेप ऐसे. तो बहुत ही छोटा है. ये तो खत्म होने वाला है, पर पूरा कलर खत्म कर दो। बताइए मुझे नियोनिका मैडम। और पकड़े ने देखो मेरे मेरा कैसा
लवली।
अभी नहीं करना बाहर।
And we have to take off these masking tapes. Slowly take off the masking tape. ठीक है?
See?
हाँ.
Where are we?
Keep it on the palette. Take off this tape.
Ma'am, see standing tape. See, ma'am. Ma'am, देखो इधर.
And we have to paint inside.
Ma'am, इधर गया तो भी चला.
Yes, you have to paint inside that stencil.
आज भी कर दिए.
Yes, nice, good. Give a thick coat of black paint.
नाम ऐसे ठीक हुआ वैसे ही. मैम फोन नंबर प्रेस. फोन नंबर प्रेस करो.
Do you have a phone number?
मेरा ठीक है.
हाँ, so that will be smaller than this. ठीक है, चलो use कर लो. It's okay, use it.
कौन सा हो रहा है?
Don't lean on the painting. Sit upright. Sit upright, beta.
मैम तो कैसे सिया वेट कर. हमें किधर हो
Keep your palette at your working hand. Which is your working hand? Right hand. Right? Keep the palette to your right hand. Now do.
इधर भी करना.
Yes, in all the 5 leaves, huh? Focus on your work. Sit down, beta. Sit.
मेरा देखो नियोनिका का देखो. ये वाटर तो करूँ.
हाँ, yes.
मतलब मोनिका की नियोनिका है. मैंने सही बोला ना खत्म करने वाली.
Blend it.
मैम दीदी को ये मिक्स कर ब्लेंड कर. हल्दी. चलो चलो.
Yes, peel off those masking tapes. Yeah, keep it on the palette. Good. One after the other, slowly. Yes.
मैं भी नहीं करूँ वैसे ही.
Nice.
तुम उसको कोड दो. मैम दीदी आपका नहीं कर रहे, मेरा कर रही है. दिखाए सारे हो करके इशारे. लड़की आँख मारे. और एक बार.